In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide price in WooCommerce. We're going to do this using the built-in tools in your WordPress dashboard without installing any extra plugins. By the end, your product prices will be hidden on the front end of your store using a small piece of custom CSS. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your website, including your WooCommerce store. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the option labeled Appearance. Hover your mouse over Appearance and a submenu will appear just to the right. From that submenu, click on Editor. This will open the Site Editor, which lets you control the overall design of your theme. Give the editor a moment to load. When it's ready, look again at the left panel inside the editor. You should see an option called Styles. Go ahead and click on Styles. This will open a new sidebar on the left that controls the visual styling of your site. Now, on the top right corner of this new style sidebar, look for the More Options icon. It usually appears as 3 small vertical dots. Click on that icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down, select Additional CSS. As soon as you choose that, a text field will appear where you can enter custom CSS code. This is where you'll paste the CSS snippet that hides the WooCommerce prices. If you already have the code ready, simply paste it into that field. If the code is shown somewhere in your editor or in a guide you're following, feel free to pause the process, copy it carefully, and then paste it into the additional CSS box. Make sure you don't change anything in the code unless you know exactly what you're doing, because even a small typo can prevent it from working correctly. Once your code is pasted and you're happy with it, look all the way over to the leftmost side panel of the editor. Near the bottom, you should see a button that says something like Review One Change. This indicates that your new CSS has been detected as a pending change. Click that button. A pop-up window will appear summarizing the changes you're about to apply to your site. Take a moment to confirm that everything looks right, then click the Save button in the bottom right corner of the pop-up. After saving, your WooCommerce product prices should now be hidden on the live site. You can open your storefront in a new tab to double check that the prices are no longer visible.